One sunny morning, Zuzu and Umu went on a jungle adventure. Walking, walking, walking. It is such a beautiful day. Wait, Umu, stop. Look over there. Do you see those big green leaves? Something is hiding behind them. They tiptoe closer. Shh, be very quiet. What could it be? Is it a tiger? Is it a monkey? Let's push the leaves aside and see. Wow, look at that! It is a giant surprise egg. It has colorful polka dots and a big golden ribbon. It is the biggest egg I have ever seen. Umu wants to give it a giant hug. It's so smooth and shiny. Detective Zuzu has his magnifying glass. He is looking for clues. Very interesting. Friends, what do you think is inside? Is it a giant candy? Or maybe a toy car? Look, Cheeki is here too. Now everyone is curious. Cheeki is listening closely. Shh, put your ear on the egg. Can you hear anything?
Oh my goodness, did you see that? The egg is shaking. It's moving. Something wants to come out.
Get ready, everyone. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! The egg popped open. And look who it is. Now everyone can dance together. It's baby Tango. Oh, he's the cutest little T-Rex ever. Welcome to the world, baby Tango. Look how happy he is. Thanks for watching our jungle surprise. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun. Bye-bye.